Okay then YouTube, I've cycled for ages along the Thames Pathway to find somewhere where I can record a video without the wind screwing up with the sound. Doesn't look like I'm going to find anywhere appropriate, so this is going to have to do. I'm actually right at the end of, well, this stretch of the path where the Thames barrier is. And it's pretty cool. It's a great bike ride if ever you come this way. Anyway, you're not here for the sights, you're here probably more for the lockpicking. There goes that wind. Okay, so what we've got for you today is a master lock. Get that focus. Master lock 140. There's the key. It's really working out great. Works. Let's see if we can't pick this thing. Key tension. And a Peterson number 3, which is swiftly becoming my favourite pick. Okay, I've picked this before. So, the first pin just wants a gentle nudge, and it gives a little click before we move on to the second pin. And hopefully we can actually figure this thing out. Get ourselves a false set. Okay, so now we're on to pin 3, which is a sport. It's giving me feedback. Loosen up the tension. And there she goes. I think something might have fallen down. Just check 1 and 2. Okay. Now we're on to pin 4. Give me some feedback along with the wind. Bit of pressure, and there we go. Cool. Well, YouTube, looks like we're back home. I live in Lewisham, so it's a nice journey up the Thames Path. There is a plane taking off from City Airport. It's going to focus, yeah. I really do love London. There we are. No more of the Thames view. Take it easy. Hi guys, I'm aware I committed the sin of taking the lock off screen after proving that it actually works. So here we go again, just to show you that the Master 140 is a functioning lock. Let's just do a real quick pick. So it's going to fall out. It's our false set. Didn't really even touch the pins, that's surprising. Now onto pin 4, and is that it? So, yes, and there we go. Thank you very much.